got our head and we've marked, we've measured the inside where we want this hole to go. So we're right here in this area here, right here in this area here. So, and you're not always going to hit it right on. You might have to adjust your hole a little bit, which is not a problem. So I'm using an 1/8 inch drill bit to drill down through here. Let's see where we're at. And we want to go over just a little bit more. That one to be. Do this side. Maybe up just a little more. Where we want to go. So now I'm going to use this Dremel and we're going to go inside here a little bit. And that's so we can inset our screw, and then we'll cover it up with putty later on. Do the same with this one. And like I said, we're going to use an 1 5/8 inch bit here to go into this slot and check it. Same on this side. So we have that set. I'm going to take this mouth part and slide it in where it goes. That's what we want. So now we'll screw this in a little bit. And then this side a little bit. Tighten this down. Okay, so we got the mouse set where we want it. Now it's not going to open. So what we got to do is we're going to take some out in here and round this down out here so we get the mouth to open and close. And like I say, this is a very important part. You want to make sure you get this correct before you get it all sealed back up. So now we can take the mouth out and we'll put a little glue around that side. So I'm going to have to trim some off in here too. So I can move it up a little bit. So we'll take this out, get it shaped down a little bit, then we'll come back with the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.